We're just stopping in at an auto shop real quick. I need some batteries for a microphone actually. I hope they have them here, otherwise we're just gonna use the microphone on the camera, which kinda sucks, but whatever, let's go. And welcome to this video. Today's video gonna be me talking about how I actually got this car at the young age that I got it, I guess. I got this asked on Instagram a few times actually, and also a few comments on YouTube. So I thought I would try to answer that question by making this little video. So basically at the age of 17 I actually bought this car last year in December. I'm sorry about the awkward camera angle. I can't really do anything else right now. We're gonna stop in like someplace. So basically I bought the car at age 17, which is pretty unrealistic for many people, especially in Denmark. It's like nearly impossible, I would say. It's only cause there's so many like taxes and like all these kind of registration, and there's just so much extra price going on top of cars here in America, sorry, not America, here in Denmark, that maybe a cheap like ratty muscle car in the US, let's say it's like 5 grand, I don't know, just like, I don't even know what a firebird costs in America. It's definitely cheaper than here, right? Then take mine for example, right, which is in, I mean, it's a solid car, don't get me wrong, but it's far from perfect, right? I paid over $16,000 for this. It's not worth $16,000 if you gotta look at it from like how good the condition is of the car. But I mean, it was my dream car, so I kind of had to buy it, right? So a lot of people want to know how I got to, of course, get all this money, right? First of all, I couldn't have done it without my family, because they supported me so damn much. Yo, he was pretty rad, man. That was a pretty cool dude right there. Was that a woman? So basically, yeah, my family supported me a lot, first of all, I had some savings and stuff like that, which I could go to the bank and get, of course, which of course helped a little bit. But I also want to say this, after I finished like, it must be high school in America, I guess, I don't know, 9th grade in Denmark, whatever, doesn't matter. Then I went on the working market, you know, got a job in this burger place, which absolutely sucked. I hate that place, but it was worth it, right? Worked there for a while. Got to save up and stuff like that, and finally bought the car at age 17. I also started working at age 17. I mean, honestly, you don't have to work a lot to get a lot of money if you just remember to save, or like save your money, if you will. If you go out and party every single day, buy the newest Yeezys and the newest iPhone and you name it, then yeah, it's gonna be pretty damn tough to get the car you want. Oh, actually, you're probably not gonna get it, because you used all the money, right? On Yeezys, partying, getting drunk, you name it. Basically what I did was like, cut everything off. I mean, I didn't buy anything, nothing for a year, if not 2 years, like many years before. I always like, had it in the back of my mind that I had to save up for my dream car, which I did. When you see a lot of other people going to my school and stuff like that, they're like, dude, how the fuck did you afford that, man? You're such a rich kid, and you name it, you get all those comments, right? But the thing is, it's all about priorities. I mean, if you want the newest iPhone, fair enough. That's maybe your dream, right? That's just not mine. My dream was to have this old, shitty, rusty car, which a lot of people don't get. And then when they hear the price, they're like, what the actually fuck? You could buy a totally new car with good insurance and everything and blah blah blah, but yeah, that's just life, you know. So yeah, basically, there's not that much to it, guys. Remember to get your priorities straight all the time. ideas for like making money is, I mean, just go out there and get like a, you know, like a quick spare time summer job or something like that. I mean, people are always hiring. I guess in America, if you go to just your local Walmart, Target, you name it, they're probably looking for some kind of, I don't know how it works over there, but whatever, you know what I mean. There's gotta be something. You can be a helper at a garage or a workshop, right? You can be a work boy there. Stuff like that. And honestly, in a few months, you're gonna have made a lot more money than you actually thought you would. I mean, first, when I started working, I was like, damn, dude, this is gonna take a while though. Suddenly, time flies and a few months went by and you got paid and stuff like that. And then you had the money. I may be like getting this sound, maybe getting it to sound a little bit easier than it might be for some people. Also, what opportunity you got and where do you live, right? If you live out in the desert in Arizona, there's maybe nowhere to work except your dad's farm. I don't know. But the thing is just, guys, you can afford and get everything you want if you just work for it. Hustle, hustle, hustle. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm gonna stop in and get some beautiful cinematics that I can use in this video to make it a little bit more interesting, because it's probably not the most interesting video for some people. But I definitely hope to help you guys out in some way, and if you have any questions, feel free to post them down below in the comments, and I'll make sure to like answer them, right? Because I know it can be pretty tough. I mean, before I bought the car, I straight up was like Googling every day easy jobs for the most paying or cheapest firebirds on the internet. I mean, you name it. It was, yeah, that was like 2 rough years, right, where you were just looking at cars and felt like you're never gonna get there. But that's just life, man. And honestly, I am so proud of myself for just doing this. I could have saved up my money to buy an apartment and make a future, if you will. But this is what I wanted, and I just went for it. And I was actually kind of surprised the also like support I got from my parents, I guess. I mean, I know they were supportive about it and all, but then again, I kind of had it in my back of my mind that like, they probably want me to save the money and make sure that's the right thing you do, and etc, right? But yeah, now I got the car, and it's awesome. I have no regret in this, honestly. I mean, there haven't been any single bad thing about this. Well, money, right? I mean, it's expensive as hell to drive and also buy. But honestly, when you sit behind the wheel, you don't think about that. It's just great, guys. So yeah, again, I have nothing to say. Hustle, work hard, and get your dream car, boys. It is awesome, and if you want it, you'll get it, man. The reason we love parking house, guys. God dang.